Hey there, it's your girl Tweetie, and welcome to my daily smoothie series, Blend by Tweetie, where I blend up more than just fruit. I'm sharing smoothies that nourish life, whether you're a new mom trying to lose or gain weight, fueling your workout, boosting milk supply, or sneaking veggies into picky eaters. Have got a recipe for you. From pregnancy to postpartum, kids to older adults, I've got a smoothie for everybody and every season of life. I'll be sharing powerful, quick, easy recipes packed with ingredients that actually make a difference. Smart swaps, yeah, and all the little tips that make your smoothie next level, yeah. So whether you're eating, fueling, glowing, or just surviving another morning, I got you. It's the follow and subscribe button. Grab your blender and let's sip all the way to better days. Welcome to Blend by Tweetie. Need a little sunshine in your day? This Mango Sunshine Smoothie is bright, cheerful, and naturally sweet, like a tropical vacation in a glass. At just 160 calories, it's the perfect way to fuel your morning or brighten up an afternoon slump. We are keeping it simple. Mango for that golden sweetness, half a banana for creamy texture, and a splash of orange juice to bring in the sunshine vibes. Add a teaspoon of chia seeds if you want that extra fiber and power boost. Blend it all until smooth and you've got sunshine you can sip. Sweet, refreshing, and so fun that even the kids will love it. Recreate this and let me know if it brings a little sunshine to your day too. Bye. I got you. Yes.